In the currency quadrant, taking a look at the March Japanese yen futures, which had its largest one-day jump on a percentage basis in over a month as of the New York close. That over a month is because I'm basing it off of the jump that we had 1% higher December 21st. It was actually about 1.05% higher. And today we finished a little bit better than 0.8% higher. On the high though, 68.98, we were up 105, and the low was a small move lower, about 14 basis points to 68.11. Now the yen has been basing since the recent low on January 19th, which measured about 8 sessions. From the low of January 19th to today's high, the yen is only up about 1.73%. The yen is working on its first up week in the last 5, but it still has quite a bit of work to do to say that it's moved away from this longer term downtrend it has been in. We had some pretty good Japanese data that might back up some of the move we're having today. Japanese industrial production, consumer confidence, and housing starts all better than expected. Industrial production was down 0.7%. Better than the last read of down 1.4. Consumer confidence was 38 versus expectations of 37.6 and a previous read of 37.2. And housing was down 4%, which is not great, but better than the down 6.2% expected and the previous read of down 8.5. So all of that kind of helping with this basing pattern that the yen may be in. We're also looking at a volatile day for U.S. yields, both pre and post the FOMC announcement today. Yields were a little bit lower, mixed, but mostly lower early in the morning, and then proceeded to head lower during the course of the day. Then after the FOMC announcement, they actually popped a little bit, but then came back down to finish down double digits. The 2-year especially was down 15 basis points, 5-year down 14, 10-year down 10, and the 30 down 7. The 10-year is now below 4%. And that elevation, or I should say pressure to lower U.S. yields that happened immediately after FOMC minutes actually took away a little bit of the shine that we had on the dollar. It actually kind of weakened a little bit and then strengthened and then weakened again to continue to push that yen higher the way we ended up today.